As you know, economic activities are further classified into three categories, that is profession, employment and business. We have already done about profession in the last lecture. In this lecture, we will do about employment. What is employment? It refers to the work in which people work for others and get paid in the form of wages or salaries. So when you are working for someone else and in return you are getting wages or salaries, then it means you are doing employment. And what is the difference between wages and salaries? Wages means that when a person is working on a daily basis, like laborer in the factory, they are getting wages. When you are working on the higher positions and you are getting income after 15 days or after 1 month, then you are getting salaries. So wages and salaries are different in this way. The person who are employed by others are known as employees. So if a person is working under someone, the person will be known as employee, and the person who is giving remuneration and who has appointed that person will be known as employer. So there is a contract between employer and employee in employment. So I have given you example of I am a professional and I am working under someone, means I am a professional and I am doing employment as an economic activity, so that's why I am getting salary. So I am not doing my professional's personal work somewhere, but I am working under someone, so that's why I am doing employment. Employment can be of many types. You can be working as a full-time or part-time employee. Casual employee. Casual employee is whenever is required, then only that employee is called. Fixed term or contract or trainee. Commission based or piece rate employees. Piece rate means, commission means that you are whenever some target is given, then if you have achieved, you will get commission. Or piece rate employee means how many pieces you are going to produce, you will get wages accordingly. Now we will do characteristics of employment. First characteristic is motive. So when you are working under someone and you are doing employment, your main motive is not to serve the society. Your main motive is to make income and earn your livelihood. Number 2, returns. So like in professional people, they get in return professional fees. They charge professional fees, consultancy fees. But here in employment, in return, when you are offering your services, in return you are getting wages or salaries. Wages and salaries can be monthly, fortnightly, weekly or daily. Number 3, qualification required. So when you are doing employment, your qualification should be according to the job whatever is offered to you. So for example, you have a job of computer operator, then you should have degree in computers. Number 4, capital. Capital means the money or wealth which you have given to the business to start it. So when you are doing employment, there is no need to give any capital. Employment does not require any capital. 5th point is nature of work. So nature of work differ from job to job. Nature of work to be done is decided by your employer only. Whatever your employer will say, you have to do that work. Number 6 is non-transferability and personal in character. These are two different things. Non-transferability means, for example, I am retired from the job. Now I want to transfer my job to my son. I cannot do that. Personal in character means, for example, I have given interview. I am selected as a teacher. So it is personal in character. I am selected. I have to provide my services. It is not like that today I am not in a mood to go to school and I am telling my friend or my sister to go to school and teach on my behalf. It is not possible. School has appointed me, so I have to give my services. So it is personal in character. Number 7, code of conduct. So whatever rules and regulations are made by my employer, I have to follow all the rules and regulations. Whatever code of conduct he will give me, I have to follow that. That's all for today. This is your homework. You have to attempt this question and you have to email me all your work from Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday by evening on my email ID. Thank you. Have a nice day.